Let's do a review of Robinize right now. Robinize is an AI-powered content optimization tool that helps you produce quality SEO content very fast. But just before we take a closer look, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you stay up to date with all our best offers. So basically you can do research on topics and keywords you want to write about, and the tool will do research on competitors who are ranking for that keyword and give you recommendations and best practices to follow to make it more likely that you'll rank on Google for that particular keyword. So let's take a deeper look at Robinize to see if it's a good alternative to popular content optimization tools like SurferSEO or SurferSEO. I'll also leave a link to the lifetime deal in the description below this video. So Robinize is available for $69, so that's a lifetime deal. You can get that on appsumo, and this is an direct alternative to ClearScope and SurferSEO. So for $69 one-time purchase, you get 15 reports per month. That means you can optimize your existing or new articles, so that count is 15. And if you go for tier 2, so you get 30 reports per month and there are 3 users. And if you go for tier 3, so that's $199 and that's 60 reports per month and there are 5 users. So this is the home screen of Robinize and it's very easy to use. The interface is very easy for a beginner. So here you have to just enter the phrase you want to rank for. You have to select the country here. So there are multiple options here. So I'll just select .com, United States. You can also select the language as well. So I'll just select English here. And we are going to just mention here how to get more followers on Instagram. So this is our phrase and we'll just click on generate report. So this will take a couple of minutes. So it's completed now. So I'll just click on this details here. And here, as you can see, so that's our results. So there are 18 results. And here you can see this is the average word count and suggested content grade is 10 out of 10. So basically this is a content grade from 1 to 10. So 10 mean maximum. And here as you can see, so these are all the search engine results here, and you can also see, so this is ranking number 1, that's from Hootsuite, and the word count is 3975 and the content score is mentioned here. So similarly there are 18 results for this keyword which are ranking. So what I'll do next is I'll just click on right here. So this is the editor here. And here as you can see, this is the content grade. So we need to make sure, like while writing the article, so it's suggested here, you can see you have to make it 10. Then also we have the readability here. We have to keep the sentences and readability very simple and easy to understand. So this is the word count here. And here on the right hand side, as you can see, so these are all the terms which are used by your competitors. So let's say, so this is Instagram account. So typically 4 to 9 times this has been used by your competitor, and this is like how many number of times you have used in your article. So as we write the article, you will come to know. So these are all the terms here. So you have to mostly cover all the terms mentioned here. And then we have the inspiration tab here. So these are the questions here you can add in your article. So also there are sub keywords here, like how to get more followers on Instagram, Quora. So you can use this as an inspiration. So then we have this outlines. So outlines are basically H1 and H2 tags, then H3 tags here. So you can see, so this is the number 1 article which is ranking on Google, and they have used this H1, H2, H3 in the article. So what you can do is you can just use this as a reference, and accordingly you can write the article. Also, there is one more thing here. So extract from link. So if you have an existing article on your blog, you can just click on extract from link and just paste your URL. So Robinize will extract the article from your website and you can just optimize it here. So what I've done is I've just extracted from a sample website, and here as you can see the content score is 10 out of 10. So readability is fairly difficult and the word count is 4152. Also here as you can see, so it's almost all the keywords are in green. So if you have left anything, you can just include that in your article. And once everything is done, you can also add meta tags here, your title and then description. So once everything is done, you can just generate share link, or you can just copy this text and paste it in your WordPress. Overall, I think it's a very good and very affordable content optimization tool. It's rare to find such a powerful and useful tool for just a one-time payment of $69. To see everything Robinize has to offer and how it's going to help you rank higher, faster, just click the link below. But hurry, this deal is going away soon. I hope you liked this video and learned something new. If you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel.